Happy morning, senior kids. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our EVS class. And today we are going to do the review of all the professionals we have learned so far. So, children, do you all remember? First, we had started the class with the community helpers. Now, I want you to name some community helpers. Very good. Sweeper, policeman, milkman, postman, cobbler, teacher. So there are so many community helpers that we had seen because they help us. They live help. Community helpers are those who help the people living in the community are called community helpers. Okay. Next, we had come to the medical professionals. We had seen medical professionals such as nurse, doctor, and then we had seen the medical specialist, pathologist, surgeon, and then pediatricians. We have seen so many medical professionals. They help us in all the ways so that we will be good in we will cure soon. Okay, children. So these are the work of the medical professionals, and then we have learnt about pilot, air traffic controller, and air hostess. So pilots, what do? They fly the flight. Okay, air hostess, they work in the flight to help the passengers, those who are traveling by flight. And air traffic controller, they guide the pilot to fly over the sky because they should they clear the obstacles what the pilot face in the sky, in the midst of the sky. Next, we have learnt about the meteorologist. Meteorologist is the one who studies the atmosphere, understands the weather condition and forecasts the weather report. So it is the meteorologists those who understand the weather conditions, and they give the news to the news channel, and the news channel they forecast the weather report. So yesterday we have seen that so in some place of Tamil Nadu there will be heavy rain, in some place there will be no rain. So all this weather condition is given by the meteorologist. Okay, children. Next, we have learnt about the border protectors. So there are three main border protectors: Army, Navy, and the Air Force. So what does Army do? Army protect our country so that no one could enter into our country by the landways. Okay, and Navy, what do? They guard our country by the seaways so that no one could enter by the seaways. And Air Force, they protect our country so that no one could enter into our country by the airways. Okay, so these are the three main border protectors. Because of them, we are very safe in our country. Next, we have learnt about the chef and the baker. Chef, they work in the restaurant, they cook food, and bakers, they bake different cakes, breads, and cookies and all. Next, we have seen about the director, actor, actresses, choreographer, singer. They are all cinefield professionals. Okay, so all together they join and they make a beautiful and interesting movie that we watch and enjoy. Okay, children. Next, we have learned about fashion designer, tailor, hairdresser, makeup artist. So these are the professionals, those who make the actor and actresses look so beautiful in front of the camera. We see them as they look very beautiful. They wear different dresses, beautiful dresses. Their makeup are so beautiful that it looks very beautiful on the actor and actresses. And their hairs are wow. So all these works are done by the fashion designer, tailor, hairdresser, and the makeup artist. Next, we have seen the journalist and the writer. So who are journalists? They go through the society, or they go through the community, and they go through the place where something new happens. So they collect all the news and they are accompanied with the press photographers. So they collect the news and they give it to the editor. Editor, they checks the news and corrects it, and after that he gives to the printing press where the news will be printed, and it comes to our house as a newspaper. Next, we have seen about the banker and the clerk. So banker are also one of the important professionals because without bank we couldn't save our money for the further future use. They provide us education loan, home loan, car loan. So bank is the important way to secure our amount. So our money, whatever we earn, we save it in the bank. Okay, and they provide us with ATM cards, debit cards, credit cards, and all. So we use them oftenly when we go for shopping or to buy anything. Next, we have learned about judge and the lawyer. So, judge and the lawyer are the important professionals, those who deal with the community, and some bad things happens or evil things happens, or some case comes in the court, that is being dealt by the lawyer. So lawyer is the one who takes one person, and after that he talks for him, and against he talks against another person. So this is the profession of lawyer. And the judge, what does he do? He or she, they all study the case, they all see the conflicts that happens in the case, and after that he comes to an he gives a conflict on the case that has been held in the court. Finally, we have learnt about the astronauts. So astronaut, what do? They are trained to be the leader or the crew member or the pilot of the spacecraft. They stay in the space, they learn what occurs, what changes occurs in the space, and after that they take the pictures of the space and send it to the earth. Okay children, so these are the important professionals that we have learned so far. And today what we are going to do is, today we are going to make the takeaway. So in the takeaway cover we have a final takeaway, and this is the My Community scrapbook. So we have made a scrapbook like this. So here all work has to be done by the children and parent only, because here children has to take the photo of kids. So photo of kids with the community helpers. For example, we have community helpers in our area, such as a sweeper comes, milkman comes. So parent, what you have to do? You have to make your kids stand with that community helper, take a picture of it. Not only that, you have to take their signature. So you have to stick that photo here, and in the bottom you have to take the signature of that. So you can take minimum of 5 community helpers. You can take up other professionals also. You can take even parents, those who are working, they are also community helpers. So you can get the signature of your parent also. Your mom is a good chef, so you can take the picture of your mom as cooking in the kitchen and stick and get the signature. You can take the signature of your pediatrician also, and your doctor, family doctor will be there. Even when you're going to the barber shop for hair cutting, you can take the photo of your kids with the barber, and you can take the signature also. So this has to be done by you. So once you finish now, you have to take the video of it or the photo of it and send it in the group. Okay, so that's all. So that's all for today. So today we did the review of all the professionals we have learned so far, and I have given you assignment of community helpers. You have to get the signature of minimum 5 community helpers, maximum as much as you can. So minimum 5 community helpers or professionals. Okay children, so do this work. Complete this assignment, take the video and picture of it and send it in the group. Until I meet you in the next class, it's your saying bye and take care.